Hi, I'm Albert Marin, personal recruiter with 10 Positions, Eden Hospitality. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our hospitality team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a cook position. Some of the responsibilities would include enduring various physical movements throughout the work areas, standing and exerting well-paced mobility for up to 8 hours in length, working under variable temperature conditions and noise levels. If you can, visually inspect all food sent from the kitchen, stock and maintain designated food stations, ensure knowledge of menu in all food products, and possess sufficient dexterity to use all kitchen equipment, you can be a great fit for this role.
We're aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity won't last long. Apply soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you.